Hello everyone and welcome to Marie Olivier Tutorials, this time about how to develop a video from LinkedIn. I am Marie, the CEO and founder of Marie Olivier LLC, the company, the marketing agency that will get your personal brand ready from A to Z on LinkedIn. And I'm also founder of Digital Business College, which is a space where you can get trainings and you as a business owner or entrepreneur, you can scale your business thanks to the LinkedIn and also digital freedom, digital offer, digital business. So let's take a look at this, how to develop the LinkedIn videos from this platform. So, because LinkedIn doesn't provide a develop button for videos, you will need a third-party tool. And here is how you can actually develop any video from LinkedIn. So for example, I chose this one and I click on the three dots and here I select copy link to post, and then you can choose some of the third-party developers. So for example, I used here saywhat.ai, and you paste here the link that we just copy, and then you simply just click on develop videos and you will develop it in MP4 or in any other format that you need. So I just want you to actually get some of the important notes. So definitely don't repost someone else's video without their permission on a LinkedIn. Also give credit if you are using it for educational content, and also keep files organized, rename them once developed, because you don't want that this will harm your SEO, search engine optimization. So always rename them according to, for example, LinkedIn tip on how to develop videos, so that it can reach also more people. And this is how you can develop a video from LinkedIn. I hope that you like this tutorial. Let me know in the comments regarding other tips on LinkedIn or anything what else you would like to know about LinkedIn. And connect with me on LinkedIn, Marie Zamecnikova. Let me know that you're coming from this exact episode, and I will give you 30 minutes of analysis of your profile for free, where we will take a look at your potential and how you can even more scale your business for free. Just let me know that you're coming from this exact episode and you will receive this 30 minutes analysis for free. And I will see you next time. Bye!